I'm Dr. Nishita Sheth again. So, a lot of patients ask me about pre-operative instructions to be given to the hair transplant during the surgery. Okay, so one day before we give every patient this instruction. Basically, you have to avoid smoking, drinking, all that before the surgery. Then you can come in your normal, shirt, not like t-shirt, because when we have done the surgery, it is very difficult to remove the t-shirt after the dressing is done. So come with the shirt so that there are buttons in front and we can just open it. Second thing, during the surgery, yes, you have to come with the breakfast, proper breakfast.
The lunch and everything will be provided by us.
Avoid drinking coffee or tea on the day of surgery, so that maybe sometimes coffee or tea may increase the bleeding. Third, we give you one anti-anxiety medicine before starting the surgery, so that you are very cool at the surgery time and you are very free and you are in no tension at all during the surgery. Come with your friend who can drive you back at home after the surgery is done, because maybe you are in a little sedation and we don't want you to drive back home. So if you are coming with some help or some caretaker, it's better. And also, if you're taking any blood thinners like aspirin or something like that, you have to avoid for 3 to 4 days until it's not advisable by your cardiologist. Then we can just consider that. Otherwise, we want you to stop that 1 to 2 days or 3 days before. Quit smoking for 1 week before, and drinks not to drink before the surgery, like previous night of the surgery. Don't drink and come. So that's it from our side. Come with all your reports, and that's it. Thank you so much.